Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to turn off Google Play Protect on your Android phone, and this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, click on the profile icon from the top corner. The next thing you need to do is to go to Play Protect. The next thing you need to do is to click on this particular icon right here. And you have it right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this icon right here to turn it off. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.